Hello and welcome. This is a new episode of Mr. Dantastic. If you like any content in my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and enjoy.
Hi everybody!
Hi.
Welcome to Mr. Dantastic channel. My name is Dan and this is Adora, my daughter, and today we're gonna do an unboxing about the iPhone 15 where everyone is going mad for the iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. She's gonna do the unboxing of the iPhone 15 Black 256
Gigabyte.
exactly. Let's do it. That's fine. That's fine. How's it feel?
Amazing.
It's quite interesting. Oh wow, the touch is light, so no more fingerprint. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.